Good luck. Temperatures going up.
Game like a Tory, you so special.
Welcome to the Van Rap Radio. I'm hoping wherever you are, you're still having the greatest time. Hey, me microphone, hey, nazimini, nazipikara, enda yandu. Na bazu dibozo renda takalenda bafuna ndorari. Auna nazimwe, record ya sugar. Diamba reko chinerera, eh? Unamdipo pano ka Van Rap Radio. I can't believe we'll be pulling up like 7 years or what? Yo. One of the first internet radio station in South Africa. Back in 2013, we went live. That's the one, it's Zama. In 2013, 2 years later, we went on to win the biggest awards of hip hop in SA. Bazifunana banyangu kitandi mbandeweze mapango riko jina midina midanani riko banyuluza mapungo azura hone bazudiba lady Zama mapungo ni once again she been trending na Sjava ngamapungo ne labo zi rape na mini Sjava chiko Zama posta video ne paka madua mloma chikwambo no nezo ndangamba zo ndizori lady Zama roto data. It was good, it was fun, it was love, it's what my yoki my darling, my sugar, my sweet AD ndiamba my conflict isi but then arizunga wazitonga rozokakhe ngamramusi achibo mtodori abe wawe ayethe because she didn't want to amushare na mungo mutu arikamzini mapungwana ngabosukane amuaffect ngamanda achiko share video ne pala ka Instagram and the other social media zakozamo clear mapungwaneyo aringorozi yafana na court case zovuliwa na mini suko mu-affect kamshumo wawe pedzi he ain't getting gigs zuko chinya zuchia and ahuna une case yakho yahone siyafisa butungu pedzi zwene gomba kwa ndiamba ladies Zama orachibuya kidopindula arai Sjava no na dodo toma ne no vana minomo na milizote no dilon ripa ngamanda na chipezo non ripa ne fonda wona sadizori nditemi ndo dada ndisadibizori ndikutaminda peze nditonga ndika relationship na ini because I was scared of you because ni legend akongwana musi pedzi nne ndingastoda ngoma yini the tambera a clip of it and then bakonopfuma pungwene ladies Zama hone bakomfamuzi ndiduka ndiswana ndingwana ndo mahongoni. We still rocking, we still having the best of the best out of the rest ngadzina Richie Jena rindi the Van Rap Radio riko jena midana riko banyulura ndiri ndau yanduna nazvitanjira riko tupura uchikoliwa joy pungo keli abapfe baticherese
Good luck. Temperatures going up.
Game like a Tory, you so special.
Ayo, siko lengo low that one.
The truth remains the truth no matter how you look at it, no matter how much you try to hide from it. The truth will never stop being the truth. And I cannot say whether he's a good or a bad person.
Yeah, man.
I cannot decide that. What I do know is that Jabulani raped me. I did not give him consent. I told him to stop. And that's how I ended up in a relationship with him. It was not, hey, we are having sex. No. That's not what happened. And I couldn't fight him off because he's huge. He's massive. He's bigger than me. I mean, I'm really short. You know, and I was bandaged, I was stuffed with painkillers. That's what happened. And I have never spoken to the press about this. The dockets have been leaked, whichever way they've been leaked. But I do not speak to the press about this. All over the social medias about him and somebody else. I didn't really care about those things. So he called me. So I told him, like, why are you calling me? I mean, you have your people, just leave me alone. And he's like, no, I want to talk to you. So I thought, this was July 2019, I thought, oh, he wants to apologize for raping me, for, you know, doing all those things that he did, threatening me. And he didn't. He took me to some producer's house. And then when he was taking me home, I said to him, I need to talk to you. And he was like, no, I can't talk to you. Mind you, this man has said to me verbatim, I don't want to hear what you have to say because your feelings don't matter. Type of situation. I don't know what he told his friends. I don't know what he told his family, if any family was ever told. I do not know the context in which he discussed me. The only thing I know is the context in which he was to me. And I know this because I would, anyway, forget about that, because it's a fact. No sexual conversations, no discussions, no, oh, tomorrow, nothing.
Yeah, yeah. When these things always like you hear all these things, it doesn't really happen. Vakongwana ndiri zitonga zvithu zvine zvokuitika kale mwe shango kana zvokuitika umwe petu une you like you don't expect it to zviite to the people close, the people you know and all those things, but hey ndivuchiro so zvinakomba zvondizo zolady Zama kwambori Javulani aka Sjava omuripa, and there was no discussions na meanings of baby my stand on my love my darling. That thing was not there. Hasukota mafungwa neyo. Try to speak but ribambe but didn't happen. Your feelings doesn't matter. So for zone vanabash ngomzima, let me have a drink. Okay, shamra ntuza watu yeah, mapungondiana yona kwapfa it really hurts musuba kufa zoradio, but yeah, mapungondiana yona kwambwa one I hope things like this, man, will get resolved because we need them to perform, we need them to go forward, we need them to move on the life. So if there's a case, let the case take place. If there's days, let that take. But right now we don't know meaning some numbers on and yeah. Ladies Zama zone akwamba zone Sjava's zone, he did penetrate, he did sleep with the enemy nazo, and she was scared. She had to take painkillers and all that just to calm herself down. Wait, no, I always preach, don't do this, don't do that, don't force the women and all that. So I guess the two of them one day they'll come to a conclusion, will have a story, or they will fix whatever behind closed doors and things. Even though it's normal, but yeah, it would be better, Yeah, still vibing. I promise, guys, I'm trying to in this corner and I push I can give you videos every day. But you know what? When you're trying to do that, then there's this and that you need to do for other people. The artists need that. I need to compile this for artists. I need to do this with the artists. So because I'm working with a lot of people in the music industry, and I'm trying to figure out the ways to work around venda, because I hate this thing you're ring some music as WhatsApp, but I'm scared if I step back again into the game and they're ring some music, what's going to happen next? Because systems are there in place, we have all those things. What's left continue, just need to go to A-Reece and your Sambra and sort things out. But do we really have to sell music again, or should I let them continue selling music on WhatsApp? So we've been discussing about, we're hoping we'll end up in a position where we decide to record Sahani. I might not be more visible to a lot of people anymore like I used to, but the truth in the oh man, I'm still in this music industry. I'm still doing what I can do. I'm still mentioning your name. I'm still attending meetings. I'm still pushing. Big up to everyone. Big up to Rita D. Big up to Makazi. Big up to Rizike. Big up to Fizi. I can see you, McJ. You're doing big that side. I see you, Lil G, you're doing the greatest things that side. I can see you, Yellow, you're doing whatever you're doing right there. Laguga, Matondi, man, one of the guys that are recording left and right and making sure that he's dropping music after music. Hope to see his music videos also. I hope he does that and then he shoot music video for most of his tracks. I'm praying Urinachita Gong is going to go back and record something for that song and then drop a music video for that song. Rabono Zoro Mini, Batondi. I'm calling you out to do a video for Chita Gong. Yeah, man. Let's see what goes on. Let's see what can happen. There's a lot of people that are doing good music, but lack of music videos for one is an issue because you can't see on the radio. And then we on the TV, man, not radio. Because radio, I'm thinking a lot of things at the same time as I'm speaking. Like that when I'm flowing, like I'm rapping, but the whole thing's not coming together. You need to drop something. You need to drop a video also. Yeah, man. So yeah, I'm hoping all the artists, Zama, but we just happen to jump into all these other news. Yeah, man. I'm out of here. We out of time. Diva funa zone. Nda.